waves wobble on the long black road. She's laughing at the miles like a private joke. Cameras all strapped, sliding on a tan brown shoulder. Engine's got her cough, but she's only getting bolder. Ink blooms bright on her sunburnt skin. Stories in the shapes, every loss, every win. Silver rings dangling as she grips that bar. Desert in her mirrors, chasing one more star. Bad motor scooter, carrying my wild heart home. Dust in my teeth, I was built to roam. Ooh, golden sky burning right through my feet. I ride till the way feels clear. Bad motor scooter, sing a crooked song. If I break down, I'll just walk home. Hair and pants whipping in the evening wind. Necklace full of trinkets from everywhere she's been. Street tear straight as a drawn steel line. Backlit blaze turning sweat into shine. She's got names in her tattoo. She's forgiven. I forgot a small crooked moon, a jagged little knot. High contrast heart in a low slung frame. Every mile marker whispering her name. Bad motor scooter, carry my wild heart home. Dust in my teeth, I was built to roam. Ooh, golden sky burning right through my fear. I ride till the way feels clear. Bad motor scooter, sing a crooked song. If I break down, I'll just walk on. Who said you aged in the quiet? She just aged in a break.